Heading up north to get the other two bikes now, about 2 weeks delayed and about 2 hours delayed this morning. Pulling the U-Haul bike trailer. What a piece of crap that is. It feels like I'm pulling another car. Totally destroyed my gas mileage by about 30%. It's unbelievable. And it's empty. Anywho, stopped down on the way and got a smacking deal on a rear disc rotor and a starter relay with the cables on each end, and I got tossed in a good looking air cleaner, so 40 bucks Canadian. Not a bad deal. Definitely half the price of my first stop with the guy who knew the prices, so Larry. It's always refreshing to meet a guy who doesn't really check the prices too close. He had a brand new, like absolutely in the box exhaust system for the Goldwing, but yeah, he wasn't giving that away. But at least I know where it is, and he's got a carcass of a 84 Aspencade sitting in his shed, so all the electrical bits are there, and a terrible looking motor. It's all just the yucky looking. Looks like the chrome's coming off, or the whatever the heck was on there. So anyway, put that in the old database for future reference. Maybe that if you're ever doing a total restoration, I guess you could go back and haggle for that exhaust system, because it's like brand new in the box. Crazy. I think it's aftermarket, but still brand new, never been mounted. And side covers, you know, regular crap that people have. It's got about a few bits sold. So anyway, on my way north. Got a long way to go yet. Alright, we're here getting the Suzuki out, and gotta say, this little bugger is a sweet little deal. A battery, pump, air pump, light, and charger. On the way up I charged my cell phone. I stopped and helped somebody with a flat tire fill up there. I'm filling up there in the old Suzuki tire so I get it out of here. Man, that thing is handy. And a booster. Like, I just turned over the Goldwing with it. It's got no battery in it, basically dead. But it started and ran the thing. For 100 bucks, man, that thing is cool. You know, it's a Moto Master, which is Canadian Tire, but there's all different kinds. I'll research some of them for you. They're thing, it's worth its weight in gold. It's beautiful. There's my little 650. In my living room up north, and we're gonna go out the door pretty soon, so I thought I'd film it and just for fun, just in case there's any action and wipeouts and all that stuff, because there's no brakes on it because there are no brakes. So that should be fun. And I got to get a piece of wood or something and make a nice little daredevil ramp, and holy shit, I'm kind of concerned, but we'll give it a shot and see what happens.
Okay, we're recording. Okay. Just
I don't know how I'm even going to stop. Just got to keep going down.
well, just coast out to the road.
Yeah.
I think that's what you're going to do. Woohoo! Success. No need to call 911.
Well, literally, I'm leaving in a couple hours when the sun comes up. Yeah, bike's packed and the trailer's loaded, car's loaded, and just by pure luck, I just remembered I had this bag. Well, I noticed this bag down in the bottom of my lockbox there, and thought, it's this bag of junk. But oh, look at this! My ownerships are in there. Good Lord, I knew I had them. And thank everybody. Thank you out there. Thank everybody. Anyway, there's my Yamaha, and then the Moto Guzzi registered to me, my name, and my Suzuki. So, woohoo! The price just went up on those bikes because, well, I would have had to go to the MTO, which is Canada's version of the horrible DMV experience where you stand in line for 45 minutes and then somebody tells you they can't do anything for you. So, real public service, you know, you get what you pay for, not. Anyway, thank God I don't have to go there and spend like 50, 40 bucks for each piece of paper that I should be able to just get online and print out because it's my bike and my ownership and fuck them. Anyway, yeah, it was in this bag, miscellaneous. Oh shit, there's my, oh no, is that my Harley stuff? It is too. Oh, no, yes, 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 oh. Uh-oh, I never even put that on. How about that? I never even put that sticker on my Harley. There's my Harley stuff too. I was looking for that. Oh, what an idiot. Good Lord. That's one of those really dangerous bags that you pack at the last minute when you're heading out the door moving. Yeah, I remember that. There's stuff from the car and stuff from the... just everywhere. Thrown in a bag. But luckily I put it in my lockbox because gave it some importance. Woo! That was close. Holy shit. I was wondering where this was. But there's the last time I had it on the, sort of had it on the road. Jesus. I had it insured to 2016 though. Well, there's my ownership for that. Oh, it's a happy morning. Holy shit, thank God. There it all is. Woohoo! So we're just stopping and getting a Timmy's. It's the Canadian thing to do when you're on a road trip. And get the park. Oh, look at this. Right beside the big trucker. Holy shit. It's close. Bikes are in there good. Use the wobbling and walking. But they're in there nice and good. And then bit of a panic to get out this morning, but hit the road at 9 o'clock as planned. Oh, there's something I gotta do. There's a cover on there that's missing. No bolts, nothing. Gotta dig that out, put it on, because I think I'm gonna head through some rain. I think I'll have to strap it on with some cords. But the trailer sure works better with load on it. And one thing I highly recommend is put this on as soon as you get it, because this thing jingles around like a bastard. Makes a noise you wouldn't believe. But she rides a lot better now. All good. Same gas mileage, I guess. But put on about 90 miles, so yeah, the mileage is the same. Fully loaded. Rides much better though. Much better. Gonna get some gas. Don't nearly need it, but I gotta go through a little long stretch where there's no gas stations. Check the bikes. Had a whiz. We're all good. Ooh, she's getting cold out there. I got a bit of sunburn. Holy shit. Anyway, October 2nd, and it's 47 degrees out, which I don't care what that is in centipede. Don't matter to me, because it's a stupid scale. Anyway, it's blowy and coldy, and yeah, winter's coming. I think Calgary got 100, whatever the hell centimeters are. It's 17 feet, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, it's getting cold out. Oh well, end of summer, end of fall, that's for sure. I got a bit of a sunny day, lots of black marks up there, but should be a nice drive. Hopefully I get past Toronto before the rush hour starts, which is almost 24 hours a day. Anyway, so here we go.